Yo, what is good? Alright, so I've been having so much trouble doing just one solid video that I wanted to do at the given time. My camera's probably a little bit crooked because I'm looking at it right now, but I realized when I do a solid video like right now I'm about to do, it's because I got like a high level of excitement a lot of times. Right now I have an X-Acto knife in my hands, and if you already know by the title, then you already know who's here with me. So let me introduce you to Rick Sanchez. Right now he's stuck inside his supports. I'm going to take him out of his supports, but while I do that, I want to just talk to you about the beginning of my 3D printing journey. Now, this journey is crazy. I don't know when it started. It started a couple of weeks ago. As you see all these supports, you have to like free him of them. To do that, a good way is an X-Acto knife. They also give you something that you can use to cut these things off. But what I'm learning right now is an X-Acto knife is way better. This is way better. I'm very, very excited right now because this is the biggest figure I've created since I started this, and doing this. Oh, that just hit his foot. Will it pull right off? Yes, it did. So. Oh! So this is a sad story. So it's weeks after I really filmed this video for Mr. Rick Sanchez. This guy. He broke. He fell on his head, fixed him. Then he broke again. He fell on his head again. So what I was thinking was to be able to paint him completely. Maybe I should learn how to take him apart and then have it where his head can be attached to him. I don't know. I'm just wishful thinking right now. Either way, this was a success. I did good on this print. This was the first print that I did that was a big print, right? And then it fell and it broke. So it became a failure. Fuck up, mess up, whatever you want to call it. So I had to learn from this. So I'm going to make another one, I'm going to make another Rick. But what I learned from this was how to be better. I got several other things that I can show you that I learned how to be better. Crazy part is I have nothing over here. It's all over there by the printer. But here we are. Okay, so we got this mask here. It's really just primer on it. Like primer plus paint. If you know this movie, Big Trouble in Little China, I made him, started painting him. Maybe I shouldn't have started painting him. I'm not the best painter, but gotta start somewhere, right? So now I gotta look it up and see what else colors he is. And I wonder if it dried connected to the head. And we have this. Presidents are temporary. Wu-Tang is forever. Paint job sucks right now, so I'm not a painter. If there's a painter out there that knows me, it's a learning process. Appreciate Rick's breaking to help me learn more. I'm hungry now. Create. I mean.